Good evening, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you could use the field blur option in Photoshop. Now of course this is only one way that you could use it. There are multiple ways that you could use this effect. But let's say in this way you wanted to create an effect like what you see here on the screen. And you wanted to blur it to a point where you probably would want this as like a backdrop or a background effect, and then you add other layers on top of this. So let's see how we can create this effect. I already have a new canvas open, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the brush tool initially. So select the brush tool and come over here to your brush settings. Now if you don't already have this option here, you could go up to view, or actually window, and then let's see, brush settings, select brush settings over here. Anyways, what I have up here, so if you select the top one, brush to shape, basically I have the spacing set to about 145%, and my brush size initially is 125, but this is not going to matter because if you know how to use the brush settings, you could set the size jitter to about 81%, and let's see, and then the scattering right here, set that about to 1000%. So basically what this is doing is every time you use the brush tool on your canvas, the brush tool will change in size basically. So let's see how we could do this. Right now I just have my foreground color set to whatever color. If you're interested in that one, it's 64D as in David 8F5. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to randomly select that, select here, let's go back here, and let's go add a new layer, and then let's start making some dots over here. And then my next color I'm going to use is, let's see, 687, F as in Frank, 8C. Click OK. Now I'm going to add some other dots here. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to blur this effect, or basically this layer. So we go up to Filter, Blur Gallery, and Field Blur. It opens up a new window basically, takes your canvas and starts blurring it up. So you can adjust the amount of blur over here up in your upper right. You can really blur it up pretty much, and it all depends on what effect that you want to create. So let's bring this down just a bit. I'm just setting it at 33 pixels. I'm going to come over here. I'm not going to play around with any of these other adjustments, but again, you can play around with these to see what effect that it would give your canvas. So click OK, and there you have it. And that is just one way that you could create a different effect or a different type of background for your projects, and how you could use the field blur effect to create some interesting backgrounds. So hopefully this tutorial gave you some new ideas, and please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video. And also please like, share, and comment. If you have ideas for future videos, please put them in the comment below. I'll be glad to look at them and create a tutorial for you guys. And thank you again for supporting my channel. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.